During King Charles III's coronation on Saturday, the young prince yawned repeatedly, fidgeted in his seat, and stared upwards at the ceiling, appearing somewhat bored by the fuss being made over his grandfather. During a carriage ride last year, big sister Princess Charlotte spoke to him, perhaps checking on his behavior. "Louis stealing the show with his yawning, I love that kid," one royal viewer tweeted. Another added, "Prince Louis yawning through the whole thing is a real vibe." "Prince Louis yawning is hilarious, we're all feeling it, buddy," a third chimed in. The young prince was in attendance at Westminster Abbey for most of the hours-long ceremony. We're told a nanny was prepared to whisk him away if he started to misbehave. Earlier, Charlotte and Louis delighted royal watchers as they entered the Abbey holding hands. A silver headpiece complemented Charlotte's ivory silk crepe Alexander McQueen dress with a matching cape. In a blue dege and Skinner tunic and dress shoes, Louis looked stunning. They walked in behind their parents, the Prince and Princess of Wales. Older brother, Prince George, 9, was busy in a starring role in the ceremony as a page of honor, helping hold his grandfather's cape. It had been unclear if Louis would be attending up until last week. It wasn't until he was photographed attending a dress rehearsal that it was confirmed he would be attending. The youngest child of Prince William and Kate Middleton stole headlines last year at the Queen's Platinum Jubilee for his spirited behavior. The young prince, who is fourth in the line of succession to the British throne, was photographed pulling a host of animated faces at a flyover while standing on the Buckingham Palace balcony, much to the amusement of the Queen. His antics included dramatic reactions to the loud airplanes flying overhead, which entailed a scream, hands over his ears, and eyes screwed shut. Louis's boisterous behavior didn't end there. He capped off the weekend of celebrations at the Platinum Jubilee pageant by sticking his tongue out at his mother and wagging his fingers at her. William, 40, and Middleton, 41, poked fun at their youngest child's behavior in an Instagram post at the time.